Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start now by unlocking the phone and opening settings. This saves wasted time. Once in settings, tap General and scroll down to reset or transfer. Make sure you have a recent backup if you want to preserve learned keyboard data. You're initiating the reset that clears learned predictive suggestions, so backup only if necessary. Press Reset when you see the options, because this is the first actionable step that actually affects the keyboard data. Don't skip it. Now tap Reset, then select Reset Keyboard Dictionary. This directly erases the predictive text learning, so the keyboard stops suggesting incorrect or unwanted words. You may be asked for your device passcode. Enter it to confirm. Once done, the system deletes the stored suggestions and returns the keyboard to factory learning state. Make sure to test typing in messages or notes right after. This verifies the reset took effect, and finish by typing normally so predictive text can relearn your vocabulary. This happens gradually as you use the keyboard. If suggestions still act oddly, make sure iOS is up to date and consider reset all settings. This keeps data but refreshes system preferences. Once done, test again. If issues remain, restore from a known good backup or contact Apple support. One key troubleshooting tip. Toggling keyboards off and on in Settings General Keyboard can resolve lingering misbehavior without a full reset.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.